Hey, Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2017 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5-liter Ecoboost motor. Now these new Delta Force cold air intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra-trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high-flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. Now, this is a 100% direct bolt onto the vehicle, and it's backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. All Flowmaster products are dyno-tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get this installed in this Ford Raptor here. Okay, we're in the shop today. We got a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor equipped with a 3.5-liter Ecoboost motor. We're going to get the old intake system out and put on the new Delta Force cold air intake. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to disconnect the sensor right here, loosen up the clamp down below, and then we're going to go ahead and unsnap the top of the air box here, and then this whole intake system will come off as one unit. Okay, now we're going to take this whole intake system off. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove the air filter. Okay, let's get this Delta Force cold air intake installed in the vehicle. Okay, we'll go ahead and hinge the top of the lid here. Go ahead and attach this bottom coupler first. Go ahead and attach this top hose. Okay, that concludes our installation here in our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2017 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5-liter Ecoboost motor. Now this was an easy installation, only took about 30 to 45 minutes. Now for a full detailed video on how the installation goes, please check out our Flowmaster YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to hit the highway. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.